So Meta just sent me a MetaQuest 3, and I was eager to check it out, especially since I reviewed the MetaQuest 2 a while ago. For its price, the MetaQuest 2 offered great value. But now the question is, who is the MetaQuest 3 for? The MetaQuest 2 was an amazing experience, but if you're going to get a brand new headset, it should be the MetaQuest 3 or 3S. Yes, $500 might be a sticker shock, but the tech costs have decreased so much over the years. A comparable headset 10 years ago might have cost you a couple of grand, and that would have had to have been tethered to a computer. The fact that the MetaQuest 3 offers an untethered, immersive experience is incredible. Plus, you can hook it up to your PC for even more. And if you don't need all the bells and whistles of the MetaQuest 3, you can always try out the MetaQuest 3S that starts at around $300. Unboxing it, I noticed major improvements over the MetaQuest 2. For example, the controls are similar, but there's a lot of little improvements, like easier battery access. And when you slip this thing on your head, you immediately notice how the cameras now show your environments in color, which is a huge upgrade. You could almost probably just like walk around with this thing on your head and fully realize your environment. A lot of people always dog on these head straps, and to be fair, they could be better. And for those of us with big heads or glasses, the MetaQuest 3 actually fits comfortably over my glasses. To be frank, every time I'd use the MetaQuest 2, I'd have to put in contacts just to use the thing. Now, these are just my first impressions. I haven't had a ton of time with it yet. Based on purely just unboxing it and playing around with it for a couple of hours, I can see the improvements. Now, is it enough to say make an upgrade from the 2? I don't know yet. But what I can tell you is if you're going to get a brand new VR headset and you've never messed with one, this might be a good place to start. Full disclosure, I do have an affiliate link in the bio, and they did send this to me for free, but I will be giving my honest opinions on what I think about this thing.